Guru Nation, what is up? I want to make an announcement. You heard it here first, and she lived it. This is Daisy Villanueva, Latinos in Clinical Research, one of like the regular guests, and our CRC, who actually, guys, she's gonna be leaving us. I mean, this is how it works in this industry, right? You're in, you're out. Like, look, the industry's hot, no? The market. Maybe talk about that before we give 1nHealth, my latest sponsor, a shout out, a big, well-deserved shout out. But the market's hot. Like, you just like.
It's hot for the right people, for sure. If you have experience, oh yeah, they want you. If you have experience with a bachelor's, oh, they definitely want you. So yeah, I agree.
I need to do like a 3-hour podcast on this topic, but not for this. All right. 1nHealth saved a study I was on. Saved. Daisy would throw some caveats in there, but in my opinion, they saved. And I've used, let me just tell you guys, I've used recruitment portals before for patients. For those that don't know, sponsors that are watching, 1nHealth does central patient recruitment. I've never used a platform that was easier than this, number one. Number two, half of the leads actually got back to you when we texted them, and they have this cool little texting from within feature, which not a lot of them have. We went from no patients enrolled, no patients randomized, to 4 because of them. And we could have done more, but they were so effective, the sponsor stopped recruitment because they met. So apparently they worked for all the sites too, which is exactly what you want if you're a sponsor from your central patient recruiter. But Daisy, what do you think about 1nHealth? The good, the bad, you're not sponsored by them. I am, okay? So you can say whatever you want.
So my strategy for recruitment was just going through the database, the clinic database, and just kind of like looking for people that have osteoarthritis, calling them, checking their medications and all of that. So it wasn't like super difficult, but after we started using 1nHealth, 1nData, it was just super easy after that. Like, did I want to spend my time, spending like 5 hours looking for people, or did I just want to look at my 1nData list, right, and just call those people? They were already pre-qualified and stuff.
And 2 of them are already in our database.
Yes.
But we would not have found them, or it would have taken a lot longer.
It would have taken a lot longer. Maybe we wouldn't have found them, but it made my life so much easier. And since this was a difficult study, it allowed me to focus on the more difficult parts of the study. So
wow, they're gonna love you. They're gonna want to sponsor you too. So that's our 1nHealth story, patient recruitment. We're gonna have like horror stories. I'm gonna interview other coordinators about patient recruitment portals that are not so good. I know in the past, like when I started as a coordinator, 90% of the leads would hang up on you, not answer. Mm-hmm. So what coordinator end up doing is stop even responding to the leads in the first place. And some of those leads that you're not responding to would actually be like randomized patients, but because you like just get hung up on so often, you lose motivation to do that anymore. Yeah. And 1nHealth made it easy because of the texting within. So you just text, hey, you're interested. That's what I was doing. I was using it like maybe just as much as you were, I think. It was pretty easy. Yeah. I found it like surprisingly easy to use, and the patients were surprisingly receptive to it.
Yeah, I agree. It was a lot easier. It made everything more streamlined. And if I didn't want to use my personal number, then I could have just texted them or, communicated with them through there. So,
through the portal. Yeah. So thank you, Daisy, for that. We'll do more videos before you leave Umacolagua Trials. It'll be a sad day. But right now it's good, guys. 1nHealth. Shout out to the latest sponsor of Guru Nation. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Bye-bye. Oh, and go hit up Daisy. Her LinkedIn's underneath this video. I know she just got hired, but you know what? This market is so hot. Like, I mean, who knows? Maybe even before she gets there, somebody else, no, come work here. I watch your video. I'm like, here. Right?
You never know, but it would have to be a really good offer.
Challenge accepted, Guru Nation. Go make it happen. Bye-bye.